Hello, my name is Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where we are...
Complete.
Ooh, hang on. Actually, I probably need to go and do something about each of those. Where we are spreading our seed and the seed of many other species, far and wide. Okay, what just happened? Spaceport of Outer Lepanto. What do you have? Outer Lepanto. Are you the ones with... Actually, hang on. What was Outer Lepanto? Or did you just build that? Yeah, you just built that. It's not a big deal. Okay, you just built a thing. It's unfortunate that I really need to be very careful about what gets built where, because I'm waiting for some specific builds to happen. Okay, cool. That's not it. Galsuposk, that's probably not it either, although that's interesting. Galsuposk, that's my territory with some Aztec military right. That's my planet with some Aztec stuff right there. That's interesting. I should probably settle this Arctic world just to get it, so I don't have to steal it from someone. We'll probably do that. So let's I'm gonna actually write that down. Arctic Mesa 1B, so that I don't have to take it from them in a peace deal. Might as well just, you know, have it on our own. So where is another Arctic something or other? Oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so there's a species down here. We're gonna get them. We actually have to settle on the planet in order to get them, because the other planet here is arid. We don't have arid colonization. So we're gonna have to get this guy, and then I want to spread these guys around. These guys are really interesting. They're called the Mako Nas. They have the irradiated trait. They have 2 world habitability plus 100%, and their leader lifespan is plus 30 years. So at some point we will settle some tomb worlds because we have like an actual reason to. I didn't figure on us having an actual reason to, but now we do. But we will do that once we can take these guys on in a fight, and that's gonna be a little while. Yeah, their naval capacity is equivalent. Interesting. Which means really our naval capacity is equivalent. Wow, we're at a third of our naval capacity. Fun times. So okay, we'll do that. Just a second. Oh, Nas settle. Okay, just writing a little note to myself. Oh, hey, another interesting thing. So we upgraded these guys, right? Uplifted them. The not fun con. We can create armies, right? Let's take a look at this. Surface. I know you're starving. I know. I'm sorry. Plus 20% army damage. Plus 20% army damage. That's almost very strong. But no, that is very strong. Let's recruit a few psionic armies. Let's recruit a lot of them, actually. These are now our elite shot troops. So good. In fact, we may disband a few of these guys. Just because, well, I guess they're not really the elite shock troops. I guess that's the Spalato army, the giant titans. Yes, build me a solar panel network. Thank you. And we finally are doing something about this planet here, which is fantastic. I didn't think it would ever be in anybody's territory, but lo and behold, here it is, right there.
Construction complete.
Yep. Not fun con. Yes, I need you. Okay, sweet. Surface. How are you on food now? -7. That's a start. People are leaving. Yep. Yep. Oh, do we want to... Do we have a spaceport yet? Spaceport. Oh, yeah, it's done. Build. Colony ship. We want Xenophile Individualists. Go. Actually, I want 2 of those. That's right. Okay. Now surface queue. Let's get you some food. Build. Do we want a frontier clinic? Let's just go hydroponics farm first. Oh, let's upgrade this guy. Yeah, that's gonna help a lot. Okay. Yeah, let me know when you're done. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Hey, Lepanto with the penguins. Are you done yet? Build? Colony ship? Do we want Teutons? Let's just go Polish. Let's get the Tundra Polish out a little bit. Get them good. And then give me a solar panel network. Speaking of, hey, not FunCon. How's about if you also build me a solar panel network? Excellent. Let's save us some cash, alright? Do we have any lazy colony ships? I hope not. Trying to remember where else I had them. Here we go. Yep. Actually, this is Arctic. Okay, Arctic. Urium. Urium. There you go. I don't even know where this is. Come on over. Urium 2B? Urium 2A. Hang on. That's a small one. It's some weird stuff. This is a bigger one. Okay, let's do it. Let's do that. Okay. I wish these ships didn't belong to their sectors. They can just sit there and cost a bunch of money and I completely forget about them. That's not good. Colonize planet. Go. It's not ideal, but... Go here. Okay. Now where is this? Ah, good. It's the beginnings of cordoning off this section of the galaxy. Good, good, good. Anything else? Okay, that colony ship is going.
Debris analyzed. Construction complete.
Hypershields, nice. Okay, that's something. Our trade treaty with the Habsburg Confederation is timed out. Yeah, we're probably not going to do anything about that. Spaceport of Sebenico has finished its construction queue. You're not even mine anymore, right? Nope. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Da Vinci, okay. Bronco, sweet, okay. Busy construction ships. I love it. Trade deal... Again, trade treaty with the Habsburgs. Timed out. That's fine. Oh, also, Lepanto with the Penguins is actually having some serious trouble because a bunch of people emigrated there. So I built some stuff. We're building a few things so that they're not starving anymore. Because not starving is how I like my planets to be. It's kind of this thing I have. You switch. There we go. Alright.
System survey complete.
Excellent.
Colony established.
Excellent. Ragusa, where's this? Oh, good. Colony established here. I gave all of this area to the Florida sector. So there's that. Yeah, we're gonna have to settle here. In fact, we should probably pick that up next with any Arctic folks that we have. I don't know, there's a lot of Arctic to be done. Interesting. Okay. Korean homelanders. Silly people. Choja. Colony ship to Verrazano. Where are you going? Teutons. Wait. I had a colony ship with Teutons on it? Alright. Tundra. Where's the nearest Tundra that I wanted? I thought I only wanted one. Oh no. I wanted a couple more. That's not... Okay. That was unexpected. We may have to infill a couple things. That's not what I wanted at all. Okay, Tundra. Let's go to Drisk. Go here. Colonize planet. And where do we stick ya? Gonna be right there. Where's that? Yes, it's out there. Good, good, good. Now it's literally most of the way across the galaxy, but what are you gonna do? Spaceport of Toledo. What'd you do? Oh, good. There's your solar panel network. Okay, I'll take it.
Colony established.
Excellent.
Construction
Where's that?
complete.
Negroponte. Oh, good. Now, as soon as we can get one of these settled. It's a Tundra world. Okay, yeah. Then we can dismantle this frontier outpost, and that'll be awfully nice. Awfully nice, I say.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Spaceport of Heathgree, what do you got? Anything interesting? No. Okay. Spalato with the Titans. Hey! Hey! What are you building? Okay, no. Negroponte. Excellent. Okay. Excellent. Spaceport of Lepanto. Hey, here we go. Venetian Superior. Where are you going? Continental. You're going to Marquez. Where's Marquez? It's over here. Continental world. It's the only one. Okay, cool. Colonize planet. Go. Let's go here. It's kind of not ideal. There's not really an ideal spot for it, so let's go right there. Okay. Yeah, every once in a while, just check for more colony ships. Okay, construction ships. Construction ships gone wild. They're crazy. Yep.
Research complete.
Ooh, nice. What do we got? Proton torpedoes. Excellent. What else do we want? Ideally, we would get... Ideally, we would get... what are they called? Better power, but didn't show up this time. So what we're going to do, actually... I mean, not this kind of power. Like, power on our ships. What I'm going to do is this. I'm actually going to pick plasma accelerators because I found out that there are, in fact, aliens that we will meet who do use a lot of armor. So we're going to go with plasma accelerators. Only 19 months remaining. Okay. Starvation. Lepanto, what do you got? Okay, you're still working on it. I'm just really concerned about... Well, I'll just let him bug me when the construction's over. What else is going on? Da Vinci, don't be lazy. There was a thing that I wanted you to do. That's right. I know what I want you to do. Come here, build a frontier outpost. We're gonna get on that. We're earning 6 influence per month. That will go down and then back up because we're gonna, once we have Curbis settled, we'll clear that out. So here's the thing. What's slowing this down? Finishes in 2 months. Is it just me pausing all the time? Could be. Could cancel and then research. Here we go. It says it's busy with it, but I don't know what the deal is. Murano,
System survey complete.
Fleet, come on over. Ooh, lazy construction ship. Alright. Construction ship, where are you, first off? Okay, you're down here. Let's construct us some fun stuff. What do we got? Oh, this is within our space. Interesting. Okay, well, I'll take it. Build a mining station. And then build mining stations. And then build mining stations. And then build mining stations. And then actually give this away. Florida. Here. There you go. Not what I wanted.
Special project complete.
There we go. The Damaja have been successfully uplifted to become productive citizens of the Serene Republic of Venice and inhabitants of our colony on the tropical planet Lajkut. Let's see what they look like. Rimborth. What do you got? What do you got for me, Lajkut? What do you look like now? What do you look like now? You look just like our other uplifted species. Why did you do this? Alright. Tropical. I think we're gonna do one of these. I think we're gonna do one. What I'm gonna do here is Spaceport. Build. Colony ship.
Construction complete.
Hang on. So some of these Domana actually already have... Let's give them... They already have ethics. Wow. Their ethics are all over the place. Let's give them... Xenophile collectivist. Because we just want to avoid xenophobe. Yeah, let's give them that. Let's build one. Let's see what happens. Okay. Rocky start. Yep.
Construction complete.
Building has been ruined by Ulm Homelanders. No! Ulm! Ulm!
Construction complete.
But we love you. Spalato, what do you got? Is this my Spalato? Hey, did I kill that pop? I don't think I killed that pop. Lido with the noobs. Yeah, okay, so here's one of the things I want to point out. So I've already done this 7 times on various places around my galaxy, around my empire. So you notice this pop, it says it's growing 0.0 per month. That's not necessarily an indicator of it being bugged, but what is an indicator that it's bugged is that all of the other, it's not really a bug, it's actually a bad design. Ooh, resource storage full. All of these, excuse me, other inhabitants of this planet are not Venetian. So there's a Venetian pop growing here that can't actually grow anymore. So what we're going to do... let's see. Let's do this. It's a debug tooltip. Okay, so debug tooltips on, and then that shows the pop. So it's kill _ pop 3788. And this says, you monster, and then it's gone. Because it was blocking a tile, it would never grow, it would just be dumb. So now these guys can grow to here, and that's great. So now let's do debug tooltips. Oops. Sorry, debug tooltip. There we go. So now debug tooltips are off, just so that you don't have to see it anymore. What it'll do is, like if I hover over a planet, it'll give me the ID of the planet. So, okay, resource storage full. Hang on. Is there anything we can build? Or no, just give money away. Just give money away. But let's make it sure it's to a place that's... Oh, wow, you have money problems. Why do you have money problems? Here, have some money. Have some money. Here you go. Have some more money. We're probably going to hit their cap before too long. Florida sector. You know what? Here you go. In fact... no, we're not too far off on the minerals. Okay. Okay, so that's going to go away. That's going to go away. That's done. Oh, hey. Oh, sweet. Another colony ship. And this is a tropical? Yes, okay, good. How about wood reacts? So it says that it's spelled. Oh, Wodriax. Okay. Go to Wodriax and settle right. Hang on, where are we? Oh, there. Yeah. I want to make sure that this finally gets colonized. Colonized planet. Right. It's right here's not bad, actually. It means that we're gonna lose this, but there you go. Or at least we won't be able to get the bonus from this area, but the other bonuses are plenty nice. Okay. Now here's the real question. Are you building another one? Are you building another one? Spaceport. Oops. Clicked away. Spaceport. Nope, no more. Okay, good. What is alien to us is simply opportunity in disguise. Yes, Damaja get xenophilic, because let's do it. Oh, what else? Spaceport of Notagreatgamer. Okay, good. Spaceport of Spalato. Once we're done with this crazy settling business, then we will be able to ignore most of these things. Be able to just ignore most of the little pop-ups about things being construction being finished. So we're making so many minerals. Oh my goodness, we should be building up our military. Actually,
construction complete.
Okay. Oh, yep, we have some lazy colony ships. Where are you? Not Funcon. Tundra. Where is Tundra? Kirbus. Come down to Kirbus for me. Let's finish this off. Is this it? I think this is it. Tundra world, colonized planet, and... Yeesh. This is the only good spot. It doesn't get us food immediately, but that's okay. Excuse me. Murano's finished surface construction queue. Oh, okay, well, good job. Oh yeah, I built up a bunch of mineral silos to increase our cap, so I'm gonna actually upgrade these. I forgot that I did that. I forgot that I did that. Okay, so we have Not Fun Cons going somewhere. So it's not gonna be just, you know, one planet of Not Fun Con. They're gonna be all over the place. Now, Tundra Polish, another Tundra ship. Good, good, good. Unatra. I actually think I know where this is. Unatra. Right there. Come on down. It's continental. That's Tundra. Colonized planet. And... it's not a bad spot right there. Stick it. Stick it and stick it proper. Oh yeah, we got planets already going in up there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come there. Okay. Fleet? My big old fleet. Why don't you merge up and see what you look like? I'd love to know what you look like. Building has been ruined somewhere. Well, the Serene Republic of Venice provides a solid structure, blah, 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 blah. Give them independence. Give them Individualist. Oh yeah, here's our main fleet. Look at that. Look at that. It's even got a battleship up front. It's a heavy hitter. And then these guys... yeah, these are the lightning cannons. So these guys go in to bust stuff up and get shot at, and these guys just hang out on the outer reaches and shoot in. It's so cool. So cool. I love it. How big is this going to be? It's well over 20. Well over 20k. Murano, come here.
Construction complete.
Just a second. Now, Lepanto with the penguins. What'd you do? Tell me. Oh, okay. You built, never mind. You built stuff like food stuff. Hey, you have positive food. That's amazing. Let's do some upgrades. Do some upgrades. Faux show. Let's get some more positive food. So no more starvation. Uh-oh. Oh no, never mind. I was going to say this guy is bugged, but there's one of those. Who's this? Teutons? Nice. Okay. Alright. Any more colony ships I need to be aware of? Yes, you are. Arctic. Okay, Arctic. Where's Arctic? Where's my next Arctic? There's actually a lot of Arctics. You just go straight to Mesa 1B. Oh, I can't go there. Oh, it's controlled by the Aztec Empire. You bitches. Never mind. Let's go here. So this system actually has a an empire in it. We'll have to enlighten them. Colonize planet. Go. It's not an ideal spot, but you're going to go there. Well, the two people in the Korean Homelanders are getting a lot of support. These Aztec Root Patriarchs are actually a thing. Let's manage their faction. Interestingly, this guy's not even Aztec. He's Beldros. Why don't you... Oh, wow. Well, I have too much money anyway. Here. Suppress some media. There we go. Okay, this is not built yet. Okay, good. Just to know.
Colony established.
Excellent. Where is this colony? No, really, where is this colony? Oh, it's there. Okay, that's easy. Hey, you guys. It's an Arctic world up there. Zara, why don't you be even more OP, huh? Why don't I do that for you? Manage sector. Have some stuff. There you go. I'm so glad they have their own fleets. To like, I'm not gonna get around to building all these mineral mines. It's just not gonna happen. Oh, Ponta with the penguins. You done? Oh no. Okay, that's old. Okay, good. Bronca and Zara. Okay, good. We actually have some Betharian stone available. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Sweet. Fourth fleet, done. Let's merge this up. What do we got? 20.8k. Look at that. That is a nice fleet. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Colony established.
Okay, where's this? Cressum, where's that? It's out here. Oh, perfect. Okay. And then you're about to colonize there. I can actually, I think, do this. Now, we'll wait until this is done. We'll wait until Kerbis is done. I was going to dismantle the post there, but not yet. Okay. Here's our construction ship. Building a frontier outpost out here so we can upgrade some, or uplift some folks over here. Some one-eyed birds. The sad part is, these one-eyed birds, they're not going to be one-eyed anymore. I like this one-eyed bird thing. Now, granted, a one-eyed bird would be completely useless, assuming it flew, because it would have no depth perception. Unless this little ridge thing here is actually like a... It's got to be like a sonar thing, right? Extra sensory something that we don't have, right? I mean, otherwise, like, why does it exist for millions of years, right? That's what I'm saying. Building has been ruined by the Ulm Homelanders on Seeknor. Yeah, well. I don't know what we're going to do with this out here. Aquilegia.
Colony established.
Yeah, shoot. Let's deal with this. Because I don't think we can give it away yet. Bard. Zara. Manage. Give. Can't give it to him. That's too bad. Do we just, Yeah, let's just roll with the negative influence and negative energy credits for just a little bit until Unatra is done. I think. If someone headed out there, right? Yeah, we do. We'll see. It'll take him a little bit to get there, but yeah, we'll see. But, you know, I guess we'll see in another episode of Spaceport of Leto. Oh, no. Never mind. We did send out some, oh no, this is a different Leto. Ugh. Dang it. Wrong Leto. Oh well. Well, I think we're gonna see what happens in the next episode. You know, this was a good one. This was a good episode. We've got a lot going on. We have a ton going on. We're gonna expand. It's gonna be crazy. And we're not gonna have anywhere near enough science to actually get stuff done. But, you know, it's not a big deal. At some point, we should build up our military even more. At what point are we even, like... Ooh, their fleet power is superior. Their fleet power is no longer overwhelming. Let's build some more ships, shall we? I say we build some more ships. We will build some more ships in another episode. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time, as I search around for colony ships that aren't doing anything. Ugh, colony ships. Anyway,